Welcome everyone, my name is Ben and this is AI Vision Guide. This week I was at a dinner party and one of the other guests asked me what I do, so the topic of AI naturally came up. He asked me, "Are you worried AI will replace us?" To him I responded, "I'm not worried, I'm confident it will." So that's what we're talking about today, not if but when AI will replace us. So this I ask you, when do you think AI will replace you? AI has been a big topic for the better part of a year now. So people are wondering what AI's impact on the workforce is going to be. A variety of consulting companies have predicted that AI will increase productivity anywhere from 10 to 40%. Well, an increase in productivity is not being replaced, it's empowering. So while some, like my friend from the dinner party, have fears about AI's impact on humanity, here at AI Vision Guide, we view it as a tool to enhance our capabilities and create new opportunities. One of the big breakthroughs we have seen in AI is with LLMs, or large language models. Late last year, when OpenAI released ChatGPT 3.5, it was a groundbreaking app. It's the most commonly talked about large language model today. Upon its release, it became one of the fastest growing apps, reaching 1 million users faster than Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. And one of the things that it does so well is text generation. It can generate text for a variety of purposes, anything from books, movie ideas, SOPs for business use cases, copy for advertising, and beyond that, it can generate code and other technical texts. So the group of workers poised to be most impacted by the new advances in AI with LLMs are knowledge workers, or what have traditionally been referred to as white-collar workers. Anyone whose job is to process digital information at a computer will have their job impacted by generative AI. But the impact is going to be on a spectrum. At one end of the continuum, we have people whose jobs will be fully eliminated, likely within the next year. And at the other end of the spectrum, we have people whose jobs for which the impact of AI is still unknown. One example of a job at risk of full automation would be data entry. People whose jobs is to take a document and put it into a spreadsheet are at high risk of losing their jobs because there are new tools being created every day to work with different types of documents and information, and it's relatively simple to write scripts to carry that information over and put it into a spreadsheet. At the other end of the spectrum are entrepreneurs, people who start and own businesses. This is a domain that requires a combination of creativity, intelligence, and determination, and will not easily be replaced by AI. But everybody who's a knowledge worker will be impacted by AI. And on this spectrum, we have the automation versus augmentation spectrum, where on this side, there are workers whose job can be fully automated, and on the other side, we have people whose jobs and work they do can be enhanced and augmented with generative AI tools. Also on the augmentation side are new jobs and opportunities that are being created by AI every day. We are entering a new future where it's not a binary choice between complete replacement and total preservation. Instead, we're entering a future that is collaborative, where humans and AI work together. By leveraging these tools, entrepreneurs, business owners, and people seeking to enhance their productivity in any way and leverage AI for their benefit. And if we look at another group of workers, say manual laborers or tradespeople, these are a group of workers whose jobs have been impacted by automation for decades. We're constantly used to seeing new tools be introduced that skilled tradespeople can use to make their jobs better. And this is a group of workers that has continuously adapted, and knowledge workers will now do the same with the new set of tools created by generative AI. So, are there industries and professions at risk? Certainly. As AI evolves, we must adapt our skills. For the last few decades, the ability and willingness to continuously learn and improve has been important for success, and we're now entering a stage where it is critical. Workers should embrace opportunities for upskilling and reskilling to stay relevant in an AI-driven world. And by acquiring new skills that leverage AI, workers can not only stay relevant, but create new opportunities for themselves and for their future employees. So the question is not when will AI replace us, but what parts of what we do has AI already replaced? What skills do we need to learn to stay relevant? This is a great time to be a business owner or any productive member of society. OpenAI, Google, a whole host of cutting-edge AI companies are making generative AI and other AI tools more accessible. Small and medium-sized companies now have the ability to create custom ChatGPT-powered chatbots that can engage with their customers and prospective customers in a way that matches their branding and messaging. And knowledge workers now have tools to better enhance and troubleshoot challenges when they face them. That's my perspective. But we all know AI is advancing at a rapid pace. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you want to keep up on the latest trends in AI, especially how AI is empowering businesses of all shapes and sizes, subscribe to our newsletter linked in the description. That's all for now, my productive and empowered friends. We'll see you on the next one.